Hairs might look familiar from the outside, but put them under the microscope and you'll notice tiny differences in shape. Straight hair is perfectly round in cross-section, while curly hair is oval or D-shaped. The strands flex more easily in one direction than the other. If the shape varies along the length of the hair, it will tend to twist. If it flips back and forth, the hair will crimp or kink. And if the turns are regular, it will make waves. These patterns are determined by the hair follicle itself. A look beneath the skin reveals that straight hair follicles are straight and curly hair follicles are S-shaped. In the straight follicles, all the cells work together to make a symmetrical hair, but in curly follicles, everything is asymmetrical.